Hi guys, I'm Chad, and if you're wondering what this is all about, let me explain to you. So, I'm currently a general virtual assistant, but I really wanted to upskill to become a trusted graphic designer and video editor. But my biggest challenge is wala pa akong experience sa field na to, so I don't have any portfolio that I can show to my target clients. So, I was thinking kung paano ko to gagawin. That's when I decided to build Chad Chitandas Media across all social media platforms, and I have rebranded my YouTube channel. So this will serve as my living case study and my portfolio. So every graphic design, every video that I'll be editing will serve as proof of my skills. So basically, I'll be learning and building my portfolio in public. But this is just not about me, guys. This is about building with you. Gusto ko sana maging way tong channel na to share conversations, share ideas, or share your creations. And if you're interested sa graphic design or video editing or maging social media manager, hopefully maging part ka ng community na i-build natin. So this journey starts right now. And sana i-follow nyo ko and i-subscribe nyo ang aking YouTube channel. And most importantly, let me know in the comments kung ano ang gusto nyo makita sa mga susunod na videos natin. Whether it's tutorials or design challenge. Please feel free to comment down below. Welcome to Chan Chitanes Media. Let's grow together and I'll see you on my next video.